Have you ever wondered about the fundamental promise our justice system makes to every individual facing an accusation? The idea that you are innocent until proven guilty. It is a concept deeply ingrained in our understanding of fairness, but its exact legal footing can sometimes be a bit surprising. While the phrase presumption of innocence is a cornerstone of the American legal system, it is not explicitly mentioned word for word in the United States Constitution. Instead, this vital principle is an implied right, stemming from the Fifth and 14th Amendments' guarantees of due process, of law, and the Sixth Amendment's right to a fair trial. The reason this principle is so powerful, even without direct constitutional text, lies in centuries of common law tradition and judicial interpretation. The Supreme Court has repeatedly affirmed that the presumption of innocence is an essential component of a fair trial, effectively placing the burden of proof squarely on the prosecution. This means the government must present enough evidence to convince a jury beyond a reasonable doubt that a defendant is guilty. The defendant is never required to prove their own innocence. Understanding this distinction helps clarify how courts operate. For example, if you are ever a juror, you will be instructed that the defendant has no obligation to testify or present any evidence at all. Your decision must be based solely on whether the prosecution has met its heavy burden. This also means that pretrial statements or media coverage should not influence your judgment, as they are not evidence presented in court. This fundamental protection is critical for upholding fairness and preventing arbitrary convictions. It serves as a bulwark against governmental overreach, ensuring that individuals are not treated as criminals merely because they have been accused. The presumption of innocence fosters a system where justice is served through rigorous proof, rather than through suspicion or assumption, emphasizing the importance of legal procedures and factual evidence in criminal proceedings. Ultimately, the presumption of innocence ensures that everyone stands on equal footing before the law, regardless of the charges they face. It is a powerful shield, compelling the government to earn every conviction through careful investigation and presentation of evidence, rather than allowing accusations alone to determine a person's fate. This principle protects individual liberty and maintains the integrity of our legal process for all.